In this video, we are going to learn how to make a bar graph. Our goal today is to create the bar graph and then learn how to ask and answer questions about our data in the graph. We'll start off by looking at a tally chart with some of the students' favorite math games. Here is the tally chart. The title says Favorite Math Game. Then, some people chose Top It. Some people chose Roll and Total. And other people chose Subtraction Bingo. So let's see how many people chose each math game. For Top It, these tallies represent the people that chose that game. That's their favorite math game. So remember, there are 5 tallies in a bunch. So we have 5 here, and then one more is 6. 6 people chose Top It as their favorite math game. How many people chose Roll and Total as their favorite math game? Let's see. Remember, there's 5 in a bunch, so 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 tallies for Roll and Total, so 8 students chose that game as their favorite math game. Last, we need to find how many students said that Subtraction Bingo was their favorite math game. See how many tallies? 5, 6. 6 students chose Subtraction Bingo as their favorite math game. So how many students voted in all? How many students told us their favorite math game? What we need to do is count all of the tallies to see how many total. I'm going to count the bunches first. 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So 20 students in all voted on their favorite math game. This is what a blank bar graph looks like. First, we can see that there is this blank line across the top, and that's where we write the title. There are more blank lines across the bottom, and those are for each category. So the categories for the table that we just looked at were math games. So which math games did the students vote on? They voted on Top It, they voted on Roll and Total, and Subtraction Bingo. So we would write each math game on a line. This line on the side is a little bit trickier. That is the unit. The unit is whatever we are measuring. So what did we measure, or what did we count with the table? We counted students. So the unit is the number of students. So first, let's fill in those lines. At the top is our title, and the title is the same as the title of the tally chart. The title is Favorite Math Game. Remember, along the bottom, we put our categories. So our categories in the tally chart were Top It, Roll and Total, and Subtraction Bingo. So each one gets its own line. Top It, Roll and Total, and Subtraction Bingo. The line on the side next to the numbers is for the unit, or for whatever we are measuring. Each tally represents a student that voted for a math game. So our unit is the number of students. Usually we would write this on the side so it's on the line. My computer wasn't able to do that. Now we have all of our labels on our bar graph. We are ready to fill it in. Filling in the bar graph is the fun part. For each tally, we get to fill in one box above that category. So for Top It, How many boxes do we get to fill in? There were 6 tallies in Top It, so we can fill in 6 boxes. How about for Roll and Total? Let's check how many tallies we had for Roll and Total. We counted 8, so we can fill in 8 boxes. And last, how many tallies did we have for Subtraction Bingo? Let's check. We had 6 tallies for Subtraction Bingo. 6 people voted for Subtraction Bingo, so we get to fill in 6 boxes above Subtraction Bingo. This is what our bar graph looks like after we fill in the boxes for each tally. Now that our bar graph is complete, we can start asking questions about the data. For example, we could ask, how many students voted in all? We already answered that question, but let's look at the bar graph to find the answer. Remember, when we say in all, that means everyone all together. So we need to count how many boxes all together are filled in. Each box represents one student that voted. Can you find the answer? If you knew that 20 students voted all together, give yourself a pat on the back. The next question is, which game did students like the most? Right. Roll and Total got the most votes because look, it has the most boxes filled in. We didn't even need to count the boxes to see that this line is higher than this line and this line. Another question we can ask is how many more students chose Roll and Total as their favorite than Subtraction Bingo? So how many more votes do we have for Roll and Total than do we have for Subtraction Bingo? There's a quick and easy way to answer this question. We can see that Subtraction Bingo had 6 votes. Follow this line all the way across and we see the number 6. So these are the extras that voted for Roll and Total. So how many more? Right, 1, 2. 2 more people voted for Roll and Total than Subtraction Bingo. Now friends, your challenge is to think of 2 more questions that you can ask about this bar graph. You can ask someone at home and show them how to find the answer. Great job today. Keep working hard and I'll see you next time.